A woman was molested by a man on board a local train plying from Thane to Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus railway station last night. The man has been arrested at the Dadar railway station and a case has now been registered. Richa Sharma joining me live. Richa, yes, now we are looking at those pictures that you were referring to. What a horrific case of a woman being assaulted physically by a man inside a train coach. And she was traveling from Thane to CST, and the bystanders, a lot of people out there not intervening, not even pulling the chain. What was going on?
Yes, absolutely. And this particular man in question, and in fact the lady as well, they in fact boarded the train at around in Thane, and they were moving towards CST, and that's when this altercation occurred. And this man not just forced himself upon this women in question. And let me tell you, this compartment was of the disabled people, and there we can see in the visuals as well how in the very next compartment, because the time of this incident was around 11 p.m. in the night, that is between 11 to 12 p.m. in the night. That's the reason there was a police official who was present in the very next compartment, but because the train had already started moving forward and it was nearby to the other station, that is the reason even he couldn't intervene. He was asking the other passengers to in fact pull the emergency chain, but none of them could do that because of the fact that there were other people who were facing similar disabilities. Clearly at this point the police have arrested the person immediately on the spot from the other police station, and further investigations are underway to find out if these two people were known to each other, was there any other problem that they had, or was this a one-off incident where this woman was in fact victimized and assaulted.
Right, very shocking because this raises very serious questions, Richa, on the safety of passengers, especially women inside local trains. If just about anybody can get into a train and hold a woman in this manner, drag her, beat her up. I mean, this is very shocking. And like you said, this is a coach meant for the disabled, which is perhaps the reason why, is that the reason, in fact, why the others could not intervene? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, absolutely. And normally it seems like in a normal state or in a normal compartment, we do see that people do intervene or they stop if there is an incident like this that is occurring. But because this man was in fact, according to police sources, following this lady right from Thane railway station up till inside the train, and he immediately started attacking her. And this is the reason nobody got time to act. And in that particular compartment as well, nobody could come forward and in fact help out this lady in question. And yes, it was only after the train reached the other station on the central route, that's when the police intervened and arrested the man.
Yes, and we did see one police officer in the next coach, which, like you're saying, was also not able to access this particular area. But, you know, a very audacious attack and, you know, somebody behaving in this manner that has come to light now raises questions on safety of passengers. I have Flavia Agnes joining me on the phone line. I beg your pardon, I have Shaina MC of the BJP on the phone line. Shaina, once again, we are faced with a situation where we are questioning safety of women in local trains. This is a very unfortunate incident of a woman assaulted in a train that was running between Thane and CST.
Yes, it is not just unfortunate, it's shameful. We talk about gender equality, and there you have people who feel that they can touch up and feel up a woman, whether it's in a bus, in a train, in public spaces, or try to take their chance and go unnoticed. But I want to question, you know, everything cannot be questioned towards the government's responsibility or to try and say that the administration is at fault. What is the role of the bystander? Let's not forget, we lost two valiant lives in Amboli a few years ago, called Keenan and Ruben, who fought back for the safety and security and dignity of a woman who happened to be their friends. Here, yes, I say that the bystander may not have a legal responsibility, but there is a moral responsibility that we as citizens, we as Mumbaikars need to feel proud of. And I think that when you see such an incident in a train or in a bus, I hope that few good hearts would stand up, speak up and fight back.
You know what?